Hey, it's Travis Holzen with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I am out in Norwood, Young America, trying to do a very, very quick job, but it's a big job. But we're gonna do it in 2 days. We're gonna finish tomorrow and brave the cold and finish it. But it's gonna be a 2-day gig. But I'm gonna show you, I'm digging posts for my Kiwi trellis, and they're 12-foot posts, and yeah, so I'm digging holes for the posts and then pouring quickcrete in the hole so they set up fast, and then I'm gonna attach, I'll show you what I'm gonna attach to these posts here once they cure. But I'm gonna turn you around and show you real quick, and I'm gonna drill one of these holes, probably all full of concrete dust and stuff, but here we go. I'm gonna turn you around. All right, you can see all the posts I got in so far. Just dug that hole. Gonna dig a hole here where that flag is and where that flag is over there, and then all the poles are gonna be in, and then we're gonna use wood staples and 1.5 inch staples, and basically like a nail, and we're going to attach these cattle panels, and they're going to be 2 panels high up the post, and that's going to be a trellis for the Kiwi. And there's a Kiwi right there, another one right there, and a Kiwi will spread out and take up 16 feet on one of these trellises. So it's 96 feet, and every 16 feet is going to be a Kiwi planted. So eventually this whole thing will be a fence, a Kiwi fence. Basically it's going to be 10 feet high, and yeah, it's going to be beautiful once it fills out. But I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to dig this hole quick, hope it goes great and I don't hit any rocks or hit any clay, because the clay sucks. I've had a couple holes take me a little bit, but here we go. I'm gonna turn you around. Right there. We'll see how this goes. The battery operated one is charging up, so we're using the gas today. Perfect. we hit some clay, so I'm gonna turn this off and I'll get a better hole later.